Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is b minus 4 to power 4. This is equal to 16. What is the value of b? Now, solution from here, we can express b minus 4 to power 4 as b minus 4 raised to power 2 raised to power 2. This is equal to 16 can be expressed as 4 to power 2. So let's take 4 to power 2 on the left hand side. So we have b minus 4 squared raised to power 2, subtract 4 to power 2, this is equal to 0. Now, this equation is in the form of a squared minus b squared, which you can express as a plus b, then a minus b. In this case, a is equal to b minus 4 squared, and we have that b is equal to 4. Therefore, a plus b, this is the same thing as b minus 4 squared, then plus 4, this is equal to 0. Let's call this equation 1. Then we have a minus b, this is the same thing as b minus 4 squared, subtract 4, this is equal to 0. Let's call this equation 2. So let's start with equation 1. In this case, I can call this case 1. Here we have b minus 4 squared plus 4. This is equal to 0. Now, b minus 4 to power 2, this is in the form of a minus b squared, which you can express as a squared plus b squared minus 2 times ab. Applying this algebraic identity, then we'll have here b squared, then plus 4 squared, which is 16, subtract 2 times b times 4, then plus 4, this is equal to 0. So here we have b squared, then minus, here we have 8b, then 16 plus 4, this is plus 20, this is equal to 0. So we form a quadratic equation with a equal to 1, b equal to minus 8, and c equal to 20. So let's apply the quadratic formula to solve for b. Let's apply the quadratic formula to solve for b1, b2, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2 times a. So here we have minus 8 plus or minus the square root of b squared is negative 8 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, then times c, which is 20. All this divided by 2 times 1. So now here we have minus times minus 8, this is 8, plus or minus the square root of negative 8 squared, this is 64, minus 20 times 4, this is 80, divided by 2. So this is 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 minus 80, which is negative 16, divided by 2. So here we have that b1, b2, this is equal to 8 plus or minus. We can express square root of minus 8 as square root of 16 times minus 1. All this divided by 2. So here we have 8 plus or minus the square root of 16, this is 4. Square root of minus 1, this is I. All this divided by 2. In this case here, we can factor out 2, so that we'll have 2 into the parentheses. Here is 4 plus or minus 2i. All this divided by 2. So this implies that if you simplify here, then b1 comma b2, this is equal to 4 plus or minus 2i. So here we have two complex solutions. We have two complex solutions for b1, b2. So let's proceed to case 2. We solve for b3 and b4. Now in case 2, we have b minus 4 squared, then subtract 4. This is equal to 0. Now b minus 4 raised to power 2. This is in the form of b or a minus b squared, which you can express as a squared minus 2 times ab plus b squared. So let's have this, let's expand this. We'll have b squared, then subtract 8b, then plus 16, subtract 4, this is equal to 0. So here we have b squared, subtract 8b, then plus 12, this is equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation with a equal to 1, b equal to minus 8, and c equal to 12. Applying the quadratic formula, we'll have b3, b4. This is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c. All this divided by 2 times a. So substituting the values of a, b, and c, we'll have minus 8 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is minus 8 squared, subtract 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 12. All this divided by 2 times 1. So here we have minus times minus 8, this is 8, plus or minus the square root of minus 8 squared, this is 64, subtract 12 times 4, which is 48, divided by 2. So in this case here, we have 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 minus 48, and this essentially is equal to 16 divided by 2. So here we have 8 plus or minus the square root of 16, this is 4 over 2. So this implies that b3, this is equal to 8 plus 4 divided by 2. So 8 plus 4 is 12 over 2, and this means that b3 is equal to 6. And b4 is equal to 8 minus 4 over 2. So this is the same thing as 4 over 2. So 4 divided by 2, this is 2. So we have that b3 is equal to 6, and we have that b4 is equal to 2. So we have two real solutions and two complex solutions to this problem. We have two complex solutions here. These are two complex solutions that we have, 4 plus or minus 2i, and two real solutions here, which is b3, which is 6, and b4, which is 2. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.